Hi there, I'm Luke. Welcome back to PhotoBite. Today we're down at the photography show at 2018 and we're down in the Infinity stand checking out the new Dreamgrip. Now this is the only one in the UK, so it's really nice that we get a chance to have a look at it. The whole idea around this is that you can actually shoot with your smartphone. You've got two lights up here. You've also got a mic as well to improve audio quality, and overall it's a really slim, small form factor, so it's great for filmmaking on the go. As well as that, it's also great as a way to stabilize your shots when shooting. You can also get in the box a UV filter and a circular polarizer to give you better looks on your videos, and overall it just allows you to change things as well. So when you need to get a bit more light on your shot, you can just pull one of these lights on, turn it on. You can also dial them down as well, which is nice to see. They are individual, so you just got to change the power packs in them, so that's very simple to use. The mic itself is very simple. This isn't meant to be an expensive product because this is for filmmaking with a smartphone, so that is something to bear in mind. So that's our little look at the Dreamgrip. If you have any more questions, leave them down in the description below. Otherwise, I'm Luke, this is PhotoBite, and we'll see you next time.